everyone. So today I just found my old luggage bag that I will be using for my trip tomorrow. As you can see, it's all dirty, rusty and has a broken zipper. But I have no choice because I need to pack my remaining stuff. Let me see if I can do something about it. I think I got an idea. I will spray some WD-40 to loosen up the slider body. I am using these big size paper clips to check if it goes in the slider. Below the paper clips, I'll just place the small plastic wrap. As you can see, I have aligned the clips equally. Soon after that, I am filling it with hot glue. Then I evened out the glue along the length of the clips and quickly wrapped the clips tightly as the glue was still hot, and then cut the extras with a pair of sharp scissors. And that's how I made a pull tab. Then I pressed the slider body with a pair of pliers so that it remained secure, and it was good to go. Since I forgot to leave some space at the end of the tab, I decided to put a small lock in the center to secure my bag. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried this hack or found this video helpful and interesting. For out of the box hack like this, do press the bell icon for notifications and hit that button to subscribe. Till then, see you soon. Bye.